Welcome to M2 Host. Today we'll learn how to allow a database remote connection for a specific IP in cPanel. First log into your cPanel account. Then scroll to Database section and click on Remote Database Access. To add access host, you may enter a host name, IPv4 address, or IPv6 address the host text box. For example, to allow access from all IP addresses, you may use the %sign character %. Add a description for the remote host in the comment text box, and click Add Host. You have successfully added host in TH access list. You can easily manage access hosts. To edit the description for a remote host, enter the new text and click Update. A message of success will appear. To delete access host, click Delete next to host name. A confirmation message will appear. Click on the Remove Access Host. You have successfully deleted an access host. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for future updates.